Hi everyone, I'm Flora Ozoka. In this video, we're going to talk about how to edit customer information. Once you have your customer set up on your customer list, QuickBooks will use that information when you select them on a sales form. If you need to make any changes to this information, like the address or the contact information, I'll show you how to make the necessary changes to the information. You click on Sales on the navigation menu, the Customer tab at the top here. So you select the customer that you want to change his details or our details. So you select the customer here. Click on the customer. On your top right side, click on the Edit tab there. Could it take you to the customer form where you can make changes to the information, to the customer details. If you want to change the name, just make changes to the name. If you want to make changes to the address, you just click on this icon at the top, the address icon, take it to the address section, make necessary changes. Or if you want to add information, if you want to add a note, you can either scroll or you use the icon at the top to move from one section to the other. Once you've made the necessary changes, just click on Save here and to save the information. I hope you find this video very helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.